Good morning, my dear students. Have a nice day. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh, your English teacher. So students, Standard 3rd, subject English. So students, as you know, in the previous lecture, I had explained you chapter number 3. Tenali Raman draws a picture. Right students? In the previous lecture, I had explained you this lesson. And today, I am going to give you the notes of this lesson. Students, जैसे कि आप जानते हो, previous lecture में मैंने आपको ये lesson explain किया था. Chapter number 3, Tenali Raman draws a picture. और आज हम इस लेसन के नोट्स लिखेंगे. ओके सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इन योर कंबाइंड बुक द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रीटेल द स्टोरी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ जोक. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू to open your combined book number 1, in that page number 7, chapter number 3, Tenali Raman draws a picture. In that, students, this is the very first question. Retell the story in the form of a joke. Students, I repeat the question again. Retell the story in the form of a joke. Now hear the answer. Once the king wanted to see the picture which Tenali Raman was drawing. Tenali Raman showed the king an empty paper and also said that the cow was eating. Now what the cow was eating? The cow was eating grass. The king said that he could not see any cow. Tenali immediately replied that the cow had eaten the grass and moved away. So students, this is the first answer. Students, everyone just wrote down this answer in your combined book number 1, page number 7, the very first question. Retell the story in the form of a joke. Okay students, everyone understood? This is the first question in your combined book number 1, page number 7, chapter number 3, Tenali Raman draws a picture. So students, did everyone had completed this answer? Okay. Now move to the question number 2. Students, before moving to the next question, once again I am going to repeat the first answer. Students, anyhow you have to complete the notes now only. Okay? So here the very first question, retell the story in the form of a joke. And the answer is, once the king wanted to see the picture which Tenali Raman was drawing. Tenali Raman showed the king an empty paper and also said that the cow was eating grass. The king said that he could not see any cow. Tenali immediately replied that the cow had eaten the grass and moved away. Right students? Now students, move to the next question. So here, question number 2, draw the picture of a cow eating the grass. Students, you have to draw a picture of a cow, and what the cow is doing? The cow is eating the grass. So can you see the image? Yes, this is the cow who is eating the grass. Right students? Now students, this is an homework you have to complete. Now move to the third question. Now students, this is the third question. Write and learn the spelling given. So here as you can see, it's a new words. You have to write 3 times. Okay. So let's see which are those words. First one, it's a disturb. Second word, it's a busy. Third word, it's a picture. And fourth word, it's a majesty. Students, these all words you have to write 3 times. Okay. This part is also an homework. So students, question number 2 and question number 3, it's an homework. Got it students? Now, we had completed the page number 7. Now move to the next question. So students, as I told you, now open the page number 8. Students, the same question will be continued in the page number 8. So here, question number 3, write and learn the spelling given. So students, in the page number, the question number 3, again it's continue. So let's see the new words now. So here the new words, explain, loads, grass and laugh. This word also you have to write 3 times. So here students, as you can see the underlines, right? In your book also there are 3 underlines are there. In that you have to write this new words 3 times. Got it students? So we had completed now the question number 3. Now students, move to the very first question. Make meaningful sentence. It means that this is the make sentence question. Students, make sentence as you can make by your own also. But while you are making the sentence, the spelling should be properly and the sentence should be properly. Okay, got it students? So here, now the very first question, it's disturb. And the answer is, we must not disturb the balance of nature by cutting tree. Students, I am repeating again the very first one. Make meaningful sentence. In that, the very first one, it's a disturb. And the answer is, we must not disturb the balance of nature by cutting trees. Now students, move to the next one. So here students, now the second one, picture. And the answer is, Sona's face is as pretty as picture. Students, I am repeating again the second one. It's a picture. And the answer is, Sona's face is as pretty as a picture. Now students, move to the C1, means the third one. So here the third one is busy. And the answer is, Lena did not see her mother enter the room as she was busy doing homework. Students, again I am repeating the third one. It's a busy. And the answer is, Lena did not see her mother enter the room as she was busy doing homework. So students, we had completed the very first question. Make meaningful sentences. Now move to the next question. So here students, question number 2, answer the following questions. In that very first one, what did the king see on Raman's board? Students, again I am repeating the question. What did the king see on Raman's board? So the answer, the king saw that Raman's board was blank. Students, again I am repeating question number 2. Answer the following question. In that, the very first one means A1. What did the king see on Raman's board? And the answer is, the king saw that Raman's board was blank. Now students move to the question number B1. So here question number B. Had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? So the answer is Raman had not drawn any picture on the board. Students, again I am repeating. Had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? The answer is Raman had not drawn any picture on the board. Now students, the C1. Can a cow walk away from a picture? And the answer is a cow cannot walk away from a picture. It is only imagination. So students, we had completed the B and C question answers also. Now move to the next. Now students, here the D1. Why do you think Raman did the scene of drawing a picture? Now the answer. Raman was the court jester. He wanted to make the king laugh, so he did the scene of drawing a picture. So students, now we had completed the notes of page number 8 also. Students, these notes you have to complete by today itself before 5 p.m. Okay students? Now students, let us start with the grammar part. So now students, the English grammar part. We are going to study the grammar part, okay? In that, we are going to learn alphabetical order. Students, in the English grammar, we are going to learn alphabetical order. Got it students? This is the new topic of English grammar. Students, alphabetical order. You already know that English alphabet has 26 letters and they are all arranged particular order. This order or sequence in which all the 26 letters of the English alphabet are arranged is called alphabetical order. Students, can you see the 26 letters? Yes, it is arranged in a alphabetical order. So students, these 26 letters, they are all arranged in a particular order. This order or sequence in which all the 26 letters of the English alphabet are arranged. So this is called the alphabetical order. Got it students? Now, alphabetical order is also known as ABC order, means around all order. Students, if you observe your teacher attendance register, in that also she is writing the names of the students in a particular alphabetical order. Students, अगर आप देखोगे आपके टीचर का रजिस्टर, जो अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर होता है, उसमें भी सारे बच्चों के नेम मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स नेम वो पर्टिकुलरली अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर होता है. वो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर ही अरेंज होता है. सारे स्टूडेंट्स के नाम किस में? रजिस्टर. कौन से रजिस्टर में? अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर. गॉट इट? Students, if you observe in the dictionary, in that also, if you want to find out any meaning of the word, right? In that also all the letters, 26 letters, are arranged in a particular order so that we can find each and every word meaning properly. Got it, students? In that also, all the words are arranged in a particular alphabetical order. In which book? In dictionary. Got it, students? So students, now let's see some examples. How to arrange the letters in a alphabetical order. So students, by observing the picture, can you see which are those pictures? Yes, the very first one it's clouds. Second one it's tree. Third word it's flower. And the fourth it's a bird. Students, now we have to observe the very first letter of all the words. So here in clouds, the very first letter it's a C. In tree, the very first letter it's a T. Flower, in that the very first letter it's a F. And the last image is of bird. So the very first letter of bird is B. Now we have to arrange in an alphabetical order. Students, can you see on the top? There are 26 letters, right? From A to Z. Total how many letters are there? 26. Now we have to arrange the down image in a particular alphabetical order, right? So, students, the very first letter it's a A. Any image name is starting with A? No, right? Now the second letter it's a B. Any image is started with letter B? Yes, it's a bird, right students? B-I-R-D, bird. So the B alphabet should be written in very first. The word bird should be written in the very first, because now we are going to arrange the words in a alphabetical order. So students, I have written the very first word. It's a bird, the image of bird, because B is the second letter of the 26 letters, right? B alphabet is the second letter of 26 letters. Now, as I have written there, clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. So C is the third alphabet, right students? Can you see on the top? So I have written clouds in the second position. Now the third, it's a flower, because it's a F. The first letter it's a F. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And in the last I have written tree, T-R-E-E, tree. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, ये सारी इमेजेस के सबसे पहले जो अल्फ़ाबेट है, जैसे बर्ड का है बी, क्लाउड का है सी, क्लाउड्स का क्या है सी, फ्लावर का है एफ और ट्री का है टी. तो ये जो अल्फ़ाबेट है बी सी एफ टी. इस सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. As you can see, there are some images, and which are those images? Pizza, chocolate, burger, donut. Students, if you observe the very first alphabet of every word, it is not in a alphabetical order, right students? In pizza, P is the very first alphabet. Chocolate, the C is the very first alphabet. Burger, there is a B, and for donut there is a D. P, C, B, D. Is it's in a proper order? No, it is not in a alphabetical order, right? Students, by looking to the above alphabet from A to Z, the very first letter it's a A. Is it any word is starting from A? No. Now the second one, it's a B. Any word which is started from B? Yes, there is a burger, right? So here burger will be the very first image. Got it, students? Now after B there is a C. From C any word is there? Yes, it's a chocolate. So chocolate will be the second image. Right, students? After C which letter is there? D. Any word which is start from D? Yes, it's a donut. So in the third position, the image it is donut, and the very last it's a pizza. Students, everyone understood how to write in a alphabetical order? Students, आप सबको समझ में आया alphabetical order कैसे लिखा जाता है? Right, students? Okay. So now students, this is the second part, right? Now if you observe the picture, the very first picture it's a bus, second picture it's a bed, and the third picture it's a boat. Students, if you observe the starting alphabet of every word, it's a B. Students, जैसे कि आप ये पिक्चर में देख सकते हो, सबसे पहला वर्ड है बस, सेकेंड वर्ड है बेड, थर्ड वर्ड है बोट, और सारे वर्ड्स के जो सबसे पहला अल्फ़ाबेट है वो बी है. तो आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. आपको अभी क्या चेक करना है? वी हैव टू चेक नाउ सेकेंड अल्फ़ाबेट ऑफ एवरी वर्ड. सो हियर फ्रॉम बस देयर इज अ सेकेंड अल्फ़ाबेट, इट्स अ यू. फ्रॉम बेड the second alphabet it's a E, and from third image it's a boat, and the second alphabet it's a O. So we got the letters are U, E, O. Now we have to arrange these images in a particular order. Right, students? Again I'm repeating, from the bus we got the second alphabet, it's a U. Second image it's a bed, and the second alphabet it's E, and the third image it's about a boat, and the second alphabet it's a O. Now we have to arrange these images. Okay, students? So students, bus, bed, boat. Now we have to, what we have to do? Arrange. Okay. So here, any word which starts from A? No. The second alphabet it's a B. Any word which start from B? Students, we have to see the second word, second alphabet, not first alphabet. First alphabet are the same. In every word the first alphabets are same. Right? Now we have to observe the second alphabet. So any alphabet which start from B? No. Then afterwards C? No. D? No. E? Yes, it is there, E. B, E, D. Bed. Right, students? Bed it is there na? Now. So here the bed will be the first image. Bed हमारा सबसे पहला इमेज होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि B-E-D सेकेंड जो अल्फ़ाबेट है वो E है, और E स्टार्टिंग में होता है. राइट? देन आफ्टरवर्ड बोट, B-O-A-T, boat. And in the last there is a bus, B-U-S. Got it, students? Everyone? सबको समझ में आया? Students, one more example I'm going to give you of alphabet second, so that you can understand how to arrange in a alphabetical order. So students, now the next example. So the very first one it's a penguin, then parrot, and the last one it's a pigeon. Students, now also you will observe the starting alphabet of three birds are the same. Pigeon will be P, parrot there is a P, and penguin there is a P. So students, now we have to observe the second alphabet. So here for the penguin there is a P-E. So we have to just check the second alphabet now. Okay. So in the penguin the E is the second alphabet. Parrot A is the second alphabet, and in pigeon I is the second alphabet. Can you see, students? Yes. students, as I told you, so all the 3 words we have to observe the second alphabet. So here E, A, I, we got the alphabet. Now we have to arrange the words in a proper order. So A is the very first letter in the ABCD form, right? So the very first image will be parrot. Second, B. There is any word which starts from B? No. From C? No. Any word starts from D? No. Now E. Yes, in the penguin there is a PE. So the penguin image will be the second image. Got it, students? Now last one is remaining the pigeon. So pigeon is the third image. Got it, students, everyone? I hope everyone understood how to put the alphabet in a alphabetical order. Right, students? So students, now the homework is I am going to send you the notes of chapter number 3 Tenali Raman, as well as the notes of grammar part also. Right, alphabetical order we had studied now. That part also I am going to send you the homework. So students, thank you for watching the video.